Okay, let's give you guys some practice. So here we've got two fractions. Express these two fractions as one fraction. So think about this. You could imagine it as this being in a bubble, and then over here you times top and bottom by this bubble here, and then over here you can times top and bottom by this bubble over here. So x minus 4, and then x minus 4. But there's something cunning that you can do rather than doing that. You could still do that and it will still work, but there's something, there's a better method anyway. Anyway, press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, hang on. So to do this here, notice that if you imagine this as imagine this bit as this x bracket x minus 4. You see this thing here, you can visualize it as this here, and if you look at this bit here, this is exactly the same as this. So all you need to do is times top and bottom here by x, and then the two denominators will be the same. Okay, and then you, well that's well anyway, rather than, well, all you need to do is times top and bottom here by x. Okay, so this one here will become it will become 7x over x x minus 4 here, plus x over well yeah, just bear in mind that these two are exactly the same. Okay, they're exactly the same. Now we can merge the two. So let's so there here it would be, hang on, it would be hang on, it would be 7x plus x over, now I can choose any one of these two, so I'm just going to choose this one here, x over x minus 4, and then here you can merge these two together, so that becomes let me think, 8x over x over blah 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 here, and then now divide top and bottom by x. Okay, so this one here will be 8, and then this one here will be x minus 4. Okay, so this here will be your final answer. Okay, next one here. Yeah, so think about this one here. Is this the same one? Minus 4. No, this one's slightly different. So anyway, press pause and have a go. Express these two fractions as one fraction. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so here, hopefully you would have well, try and scan for something where you can square root this and you can square root this here, and then there's a minus in between. The minute you can spot that, then you know that this can be expressed as square root of that. Hang on, and then a minus x, and then 4 4 plus x. You see, this thing here is exactly the same as this thing down here. Okay, so if you look at this here, this is exactly the same as this bubble here. So all you need to do is times top and bottom of this fraction here by 4 plus x. Okay, so here just times top and bottom here by 4 plus x, and then here 4 plus x. Yeah, the skill here is in being able to spot this bit here. Okay, and then you, if, well, and then basically just, yeah, times top and bottom here by this, you will have this. Hang on, 7 bracket 4 plus x, close it off, and then you've got this 4 hang on, and then you've got 4 plus x, and then on this side, well, this side keep it the same, so it will be 16 minus x squared. Just remember that this is exactly the same as this. Okay, and the reason why we know that is because this can easily be square rooted. This, you can square root this easily, and there's a minus in between. So the minute you can spot this, then you can immediately inside your mind jump to this. Okay. Well, anyway, so the two are the same. So let's merge them now. So this will be hang on. This will be 28 plus 7x, and then plus 3, and then you've got 4 minus x, and then 4 plus x. Okay, and well, we can merge these two. So this will become 7x plus 31 over 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 that thing there. Well, let's just leave it 16. Um, so yeah, just well, remember that this is exactly the same as this. So you can put it as this, or you can well well basically this can simplify to this. Okay. Can we and then have a quick glance to see if you can simplify any further. I don't think you can. So that would be our final answer. So this next one here, press pause, and well, you're adding two fractions. So just concentrate on getting the two denominators to be the same. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so here, visualize this as this. 2 and then 5a minus b. And then on this side, you've got 3 and then 7 bracket a minus b. Okay, when you're learning, I don't think you can spot this. It's only because I'm telling you now that you can spot it. So you can hopefully use this technique on well. But when you're first learning, I don't think you'd be able to spot this. Well, here so here you've got two fractions. Your aim is just to get the two denominators to be the same. You see, if you times top and bottom here by 7, and then times top and bottom here by 5, then the two denominators will be the same because you will then have this. Hang on, the top will be 14. The bottom one, you can imagine it as this: 5 times 7, and then you've got this bubble here, which is a minus b. Okay, and then you're adding it to now 3 times 5 is 15, and then here you've got this 7 here. Oh, sorry, you've got the 7 here, and then you've got the 5 here, and then you've got the bubble here, which is this. Can you see the two denominators are the same? So now you can just merge them. So 14 plus 15 will be 29, and then you can let's merge these two. This will be 35. Well, this here, or you can actually multiply it. Well, anyway, this here will be your final answer. Have a quick glance to see if you can simplify these two. You can't. Sometimes say this is a 30, then you might be able to divide top and bottom by 5. Well, anyway, I was going to say this would be your final answer, but you can't see it. So, well, anyway, this is your final answer here. Okay.